Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we continue our learning series about the topic Austrian words for tourists. In this tutorial, we learn 10 important fruits in Austrian German, which should help you for your holidays in Austria. For example, we are going to deal with the words Ribisel, Marille, Kletzn, and so on. If you are interested in a special topic, please let me know in the comments below. So let's get started. The learning goal of this video is to learn 10 important fruits in Austrian German. First of all, let's start with Ribisel. Ribisel. Ribisel is the word for red currant. Ribisel are often used in the Austrian cuisine, for example the cake Ribiselchaumkuchen or the juice Ribiselsaft. Ribisel. The next one is Marille. Marille means apricot. It's often used in the Austrian cuisine as well, for example the dumplings Marillenknödel or the Schnaps Marillenschnaps. In Germany, Marille is called apricot. If you want to know more about the differences between Austrian German and the German in Germany, please check out this video. Third, Zwetschke. Zwetschke is the term for plum. Zwetschke. For example, Zwetschkenkuchen, plum cake. Heidelbeere. Heidelbeere means blueberry. It's used for jam, for instance, Heidelbeermarmelade. Heidelbeere. Number 5 is Weichsel. Weichsel is sour cherry. Weichsel, it's like the river in Poland. The Wisła is Weichsel. Dirndlkirsche. Dirndlkirsche means cornelian cherry. It's mainly used for schnapps. Dirndl has several meanings in Austrian German. If you want to know more about it, please check out this video. Jonagold. Jonagold is one of the most important apples in Austria. Jonagold. Kletzn. Kletzn are dried pears. Kletzn are used for the famous Kletzenbrot. Kletzenbrot is very popular during Christmas time. It's a bread made out of dried pears. Kletzn. Grüchel. Grüchel means green gage. In German it's also called Ringlotten. Grüchel. And finally Powidl. Powidl is actually not a real fruit, but it's a dark plum jam, which plays a very important role in the Austrian cuisine, for example, Powidl or Powidl jam. Additionally, it's also used in another context. If people say this is my Powidl, means I don't care. Powidl. Now let's repeat the 10 most important fruits. Ribisel, Marille, Zwetschke, Heidelbeere, Weichsel, Dirndlkirsche, Jonagold, Kletzn, Grüchel, Powidl. I hope this tutorial helps you for your holiday in Austria. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day. See you in the next Austrian German tutorial. Auf Wiederschauen und Servus.